Hi, my name is Ozzy Ocampo. I'm the chef at Joy Buona Pizzeria and Grill. Today we're going to prepare the Joy signature steak with roasted Vesuvio potatoes and sauteed mushrooms. First of all, what we want to do is I want to take a 20-ounce cap steak, just marinate it with a little garlic and oil. We're going to throw them in the grill. We're going to cook it probably medium, about 10 to 15 minutes. While the steak is cooking, what I want to do is I'm going to saute some mushrooms, little fresh garlic. We're going to let it cook a little bit. We're going to put some white wine in it, little white wine. Let it reduce a little bit so it gets a little deglaze. So the signature is still cooking. I'm gonna put some chicken stock, little chicken stock in it. Just a little bit, little touch. And a touch of butter. Flip it over one more time. I'm gonna season the mushrooms, little salt and pepper, little parsley, in the meantime we got oven roasted Vesuvio potatoes, freshly baked with a little Italian seasoning. I'm gonna garnish this on the plate. We're gonna take the mushrooms, just like that. Take the steak, we're gonna slice it, nice and thin. Then we're gonna garnish this right on the plate. Boom, just like that. We're gonna hit some giardiniera. Then we're gonna just put them right on top of the steak, right on the side, just like that. And that's our final presentation for the dish with a little bit of parsley right on top. And that parsley is right here. That's how we cook every day at Joy Buona Pizzeria and Grill. Please come and join us.